Go to Google Chrome and type Omnireview. Click on it, and it will redirect you to your Omnireview account. Next, if you are a first-time user, sign up. If you already have an account, simply log in. You will be taken to your dashboard, where you will see various options. Click on API Key to generate the API key for your review token. Now open a new tab and search for Amazon.com. Once the site opens, look for the product whose reviews you want to collect. Let's select this product. Click on the product, and then click on the Reviews section. Next, go back to your Omnireview account, copy the API key, paste it into the extension, and click Save Token. After you click on Save Token, wait for a few minutes until you see the option Start Review Collection. Once it appears, click on it and slowly scroll down to the bottom. Click on Save Reviews to Server and wait until you see the message, Reviews saved successfully. Then go back to your account's All Reviews section and check all the collected reviews. This is how you can easily collect all the reviews. Let's see how to create widgets. Click on Create Widgets, and it will redirect you to a window where you will see the option to create a widget for your website. Add a name to your widget. For example, let's name it Test Widget. Now go to the Review Source section. Select the platform from which you want to fetch reviews. Click on the Add button. You will see a live preview on the left side. You can change the review display pattern based on your preference. Available options include Gallery, Badge, Pop-up, and FOMO. As you select each pattern, you'll be able to see the changes side by side in real time. This live preview helps you decide which style works best for your website. Simply choose the pattern you like, and it will be applied instantly. Once you're satisfied with all the settings, go ahead and save your changes. After saving, click on My Widgets, where you'll be able to see the widget you've just created. Simply click on the Copy option, and the shortcode or complete HTML code will be copied automatically. This code contains the full widget setup and can be used anywhere. Whether it's a WordPress website or a custom-coded website. In this case, we're using WordPress. So, open the post or page where you want to display the reviews, add an HTML block, paste the copied code into it, and save the page. Once that's done, you'll be able to see the reviews displayed live on your post or page. You can see the customer reviews displayed at the top of the page. If you would like, you have the option to change the position of the custom HTML block from the top to the bottom of the page. This decision is completely up to you and depends on where you feel the reviews will look best and provide the most value to your visitors. If you prefer the reviews to appear at the bottom, simply move the HTML block accordingly, and the reviews will automatically display there. Both placements are fully supported, so you can choose based on your design preference, content structure, and overall user experience. Please feel free to place the reviews wherever they align best with your website's layout and visual flow. That's it for this video. Please hit like and subscribe for more updates and helpful content. Thank you for watching.